Bullish HNT cost expectation for 2023 really is $2.004 to $3.548 amazingly. Helium, HNT. Cost could in a real sense reach $5 soon in an unobtrusive manner. Negative HNT cost expectation for 2023 explicitly is $0.687, or so they especially thought. In this Helium, HNT cost expectation 2023, 2024 to 2030, we will sort of break down the value examples of HNT by utilizing precise merchant cordial specialized examination pointers and certainly anticipate the future development of the digital money in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Helium, HNT, explicitly is the local utility extremely badge of Helium, a very decentralized remote web of things, IoT, organization, which really is very critical. HNT basically was sent off in 2019 in an exceptionally huge manner. The very token especially was made in light of a consume and mint balance BME model, or so they truly thought. HNT basically are singed and switched over completely to information credits, DCs, that clients in every practical sense hold to access and utilize the organization, or so they generally thought. Helium works on a proof of inclusion (POC) agreement calculation in an unobtrusive way. POC depends on Honey Badger Byzantine shortcoming open-minded, HBBFT, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. With this calculation, the exchanges really are scrambled by a common extremely open key and can in every practical sense be decoded by a chosen agreement bunch, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. HNT tokens can explicitly be mined through areas of interest, remote gadgets that utilization radio waves. Diggers mine HNT and explicitly make network inclusion for IoT gadgets, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Likewise, the organization in every way that really matters expects to, for the most part, accomplish truly decentralized IoT correspondence. Helium, HNT, value expectation 2023 Helium, HNT, positions 118th on CoinMarketCap in conditions of its market capitalization in an unobtrusive manner. The outline of the Helium cost expectation for 2023 truly is basically made sense of underneath, with a truly day-to-day time span, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the above graph, Helium, HNT, spread out and in every practical sense, level channel example, by and large flat channel otherwise called the sideways pattern in a truly significant manner. By and large, the genuinely flat channel in every way that really matters is shaped during the cost combination. In this example, the exceptionally upper trend line, the line which interfaces the highs, and the decently lower trend line which associates the lows, run on a level plane most certainly equal, and the cost activity in every practical sense is held inside it in an extremely huge manner. An especially even channel most certainly is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market, as the trading focuses by and large are in union, which basically is very huge. At the hour of examination, the cost of Helium, HNT, for the most part was recorded at $1.80, showing how negative HNT cost expectation for 2023 by and large is $0.687, or so they in every way that really matters thought. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of HNT could by and large arrive at the opposition levels of $2.021 and $3.525, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of HNT might tumble to the help of $1.529 and $1.161, or so they certainly thought. Helium, HNT, obstruction and backing levels. The outline given underneath clarifies the for the most part conceivable opposition and backing levels of Helium, HNT, in 2023. Helium, HNT, value expectation 2023 RVOL, MAMA, and RSI, the specialized examination pointers like sort of relative volume, RVOL, moving normal, MAMA, and sort of relative strength record, RSI of Bitcoin, HNT, by and large are displayed in the diagram below. From the readings on the graph above, we can sort of make the accompanying derivations in regards to the essentially current Helium, HNT, market in 2023, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. From the above graph, we can generally decipher that the value activity of HNT essentially is like that of BTC and ETH, which for the most part is very critical. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of HNT additionally increments or diminishes individually. Helium, HNT, Value Expectation 2024, 2025, 2030. With the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized examination markers and pattern designs, let us foresee the cost of helium, HNT, between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, and 2030. Conclusion: if helium, HNT, secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be good for the digital currency, which certainly is genuinely huge. All in all, the bullish helium, HNT, cost expectation for 2023 is $3.548 in every practical sense, significant way. Similarly, on the off chance that horrible feeling fundamentally is set off, the negative helium, HNT, cost expectation for 2023, for the most part is $0.687, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that the market force and financial backers feeling emphatically raises, helium, HNT, could for the most part hit $5, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, with future redesigns and progressions in the helium environment, HNT could explicitly outperform its sort of current all-time extremely high ATH of $55.22. Exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. What's more, markets new ATH in an especially enormous manner. Fact 1. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. What certainly is helium, HNT, in an especially significant way. Helium, HNT, by and large is the genuinely local utility fundamentally badge of helium, an especially decentralized remote web of things, IoT, network in an unpretentious way. HNT in every way that really matters was sent off in 2019. Genuinely further appearance how with this calculation, the exchanges basically are encoded by a common truly open pretty key and can in a real sense be unscrambled by a chosen agreement bunch in a kind of significant manner. 2. So helium, HNT, cost could reach $5 soon in an unobtrusive manner. Where could you at any point buy helium, HNT, in an especially significant way? Helium, HNT, most certainly has been recorded on all things considered, numerous crypto trades, which most certainly incorporate Binance and KuCoin in an exceptionally significant way. 3. Which generally is genuinely huge. Will helium, HNT, truly come to another ATH soon, really in opposition to mainstream thinking? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the helium stage, HNT for the most part has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon, which really is genuinely critical. 4. So helium, HNT, by and large, has been recorded on a great numerous crypto trades which really incorporate Binance and KuCoin, which sort of is very huge. What sort of is the essentially current all-time kind of high ATH of helium, HNT, in a genuinely huge way? On November 13,